NOR implementation or NOR circuits. The NOR operation is the dual of the NAND operation. Therefore, all procedures and rules for NOR gate are the duals of the corresponding procedures and rules developed for NAND logic. The NOR gate is another universal gate that can be used to implement any Boolean function. The implementation of the complement OR and AND operation with NOR gate is shown in this figure. The complement operation is obtained from one input NOR gate that behaves exactly like an inverter. The OR operation requires two NOR gates, and the AND operation is obtained with a NOR gate that has inverts in each input. The two graphic symbols for the mixed notations are shown in this diagram. The OR invert symbol defines the NOR operation as an OR followed by complement. The invert AND symbol complements each input and then perform an AND operation. The two symbols designate the same NOR operation and are logically identical because of De Morgan's theorem. A two-level implementation with NOR gates requires that the function be simplified into product of some form. Remember that the simplified product of some expression is obtained from the K-map by combining the zeros and complementing. A product of some expression is implemented with the first level of OR gates that produces the sum terms followed by a second level AND gate to produce the product. The transformation from the OR AND diagram to a NOR diagram is achieved by changing the OR gate to NOR gate with OR invert graphic symbols and the AND gate to a NOR gate with an invert AND graphic symbol. A single literal term going into the second level gate must be complemented. This figure shows the NOR implementation of a function expression f is equal to into AB into CD into E as a product of some forms. The OR and pattern can easily be detected by the removal of the bubbles along the same line. Variable E is complemented to compensate for the third bubble at the input of the second level gate. The procedure for converting a multi-level AND OR diagram to an all-NOR diagram is similar to the one presented for NAND gates. For the NOR case, we must convert each OR gate to an OR invert symbol and each AND gate to an invert AND symbol. Any bubble that is not compensated by another bubble along the same line needs an inverter or the compensation of the input literal. The transformation of the AND OR diagram into a NOR diagram is shown here. The Boolean function of the circuit is F is equal to into AB complement plus A complement B into C plus D complement. The equivalent AND OR diagram can be recognized from the NOR diagram by removing all the bubbles. To compensate for the bubbles in 4 inputs, it is necessary to complement the corresponding input literals. Other two-level implementations. The type of gates most often found in integrated circuits are NAND and NOR gates. For this reason, NAND and NOR logic implementation are the most important from a practical point of view. Some but not all NAND or NOR gates allows the possibility of a wired connection between the output of two gates to provide a specific logic function. This type of logic is called wired logic. For example, open collector TTL NAND gates, when tied together, perform wired AND logic. The open collector TTL gate is shown in this figure. The wired AND logic performed with the two NAND gate is shown in A diagram. The AND gate is drawn with the line going through the center of the gate to distinguish it from a conventional gate. The wired AND gate is not a physical gate, but only a symbol to designate the function obtained from the indicate wire connection. It will be instructive from a theoretical point of view to find out how many two-level combinations of gates are possible. We consider 4 types of gates: AND, OR, NAND, and NOR. If we assign one type of gate for the first level and one type of for the second level, we find that there are 16 possible combinations of two-level forms. 8 of these combinations are said to be degenerate forms because they degenerate to a single operation. This can be seen from a circuit with AND gates in the first level and an AND gate in the second level. The output of the circuit is merely the AND function of all input variables. The remaining 8 non-degenerate forms produces an implementation in sum of product form or product of some forms. The 8 non-degenerated forms are as follows: AND OR, NAND, NAND, NOR OR, OR NAND, OR AND, NOR NOR, NAND AND NOR. The first gate listed in each of the form consider a first level in the implementation. The second gate listed in a single gate placed in the second level. Note that any two forms listed on the same line are dual of each other. The AND-OR and OR-AND forms are the basic two-level forms. The NAND-NAND and NOR-NOR forms are already discussed in the previous topic, and the remaining four forms are investigated in the as follows.